Erica here. Hey pizza lovers, if you've ever dreamed of pulling a real Neapolitan-style pizza out of your own kitchen in just 2 minutes with that perfect leopard-spotted crust and gooey cheese, today is your lucky day. I've been testing the Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo for weeks and I am blown away. This countertop pizza oven hits 950 degrees. Yes, real wood-fired temps, and it's changing home pizza night forever. Stick around because I'm breaking down every feature, the real pros and cons, and why this might be the best kitchen upgrade you make all year. Let's jump in. First, the features that make this thing insane. It reaches 950 degrees Fahrenheit in about 20 minutes, which is the magic temperature for authentic Neapolitan pizza. You get 7 preset styles: Neapolitan, New York, pan, thin and crispy, frozen, and even a wood-fired mode, plus a manual mode where you control deck and top heat separately. The deck is made of thick cordiorite stone that holds heat like crazy, and there's a double pane glass door so you can watch the magic without losing heat. It has active deck control, meaning the bottom element pulses to keep the stone temp steady, and an intense top element that gives you those beautiful charred bubbles. The oven fits a 12-inch pizza easily, comes with a pizza peel and a deep dish pan, and the whole thing is brushed stainless steel so it looks pro on your counter. Plug it in, pick your style, and 2 to 3 minutes later, you're eating restaurant-level pizza at home. Now, let's talk about the real pros, because there are a lot. Number 1, speed and heat. 2 minutes for Neapolitan is no joke, and the crust comes out airy, chewy, and spotted exactly like the best pizzerias. Consistency is unreal. Every single pie I made looked and tasted amazing. No more soggy middles or burnt edges. It's super easy to use. Just turn the dial, launch the pizza, rotate once, done. Cleanup is simple because the stone seasons itself and the crumb tray catches everything. It works for way more than pizza. Think killer steaks, roasted veggies, even salmon with perfect sear. Customers give it 4.7 stars and tons say it's worth every penny for pizza nights. And it's indoor safe. No propane, no wood, no smoke alarm drama. But I keep it 100, so here are the cons. It's expensive. This is a premium machine. No way around it. It's not small, about 20 inches wide and 18 deep, so you need dedicated counter space or storage. It gets very hot on the outside, so keep kids and pets away while it's running. Some people wish it fit a bigger 14-inch pizza, but 12 inches is still plenty for most. And if you only make pizza once a month, it might feel like overkill. Here's my recommendation. If you love pizza even a little bit, if you host friends, have kids who beg for pizza night, or just want the absolute best homemade pizza possible, the Breville Pizzaiolo is 100% worth it. The pros destroy the cons for anyone serious about pizza. I went from decent homemade pies to, holy cow, this is better than takeout in one weekend. So if you're ready for next level pizza at home, click the link in the description to grab yours today. It's the best price anywhere and supports the channel. If this helps, smash like, drop a comment with your favorite topping, share with your pizza crew, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Quick reminder, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.